the road creator HDA. Alright, so this is basically just something that's quick and dirty. Literally, you are in a hurry, you need to get something that has a bit of a road in. Sorry, I'll just do that again quickly. So we just take the road creator HDA, drop it into Unity, drop it into our scene, and then you'll see it's much like the other tools. We just have an editable curve. We can add some more there, so we can make a road if we need. This is of course if you are in a very desperate situation and you need to get a road in your project as soon as possible. It makes some kinds of intersections. It doesn't join the geometry. It just lays it on top of each other, so you might end up with Z fighting there, but at the moment it looks fairly decent. It doesn't have UVs, so you can't apply a texture. You can, however, set it up to look a little bit like a road. You give it just some color. You could possibly drop this into the box UV tool. That might provide UVs. It's not something I've done. I'm literally testing it now in front of you guys. We'll drop that in there, see what happens. Probably turn this one off because now we have it here. Turn that off. Right, okay, so then we go here, materials, drop it on. Okay, yeah, so using the box UV tool in conjunction with the road creator, you can actually apply some UVs and change the textures. And of course now we have control of this material. You can do it however you want. You can change your tiling here. Maybe not that, maybe like that, and then you could have your tar. So that's you know, you use the tools in combination, you figure out ways that you can benefit yourself by using them. And yeah, this is actually, I didn't think that this would be possible, but as you can see, this could be a quick lifesaver if you're in a bind and you need to get a road out literally in a few seconds. Of course, do your roads from the top view on the plan, and then move to the side if you need to adjust. I think we should be able to, can't go back and edit it. We would have to re-UV it through the tool of the box editor. What I wanted to do here, I just wanted to try, was taking one of these corners and raising it. Yeah, okay, so it doesn't look that nice if you need to go up a hill. Likely we'll have, I think if you added more points, you'd be able to get up a hill. Likes to draw them flat. But yeah, you get the general idea. So if you wanted now, you could delete this one here, select the tool again, select it over there, re-import that road that you did just now, turn that one off, and now you have this new one that's UV'd, and you just select it there again and assign the material, and now you've got your extended bit of road. Yeah, I think that's quite useful.